last thing that we need to do. This right here, I don't know if you can read it over here in the right. It says that this image is something called a linked file. And it oftentimes puts up that little warning there that you just saw that something has changed. Okay, so when I have something that's a linked file, what it means is that it's not part of my Illustrator file. It's part of, well, it's just looking at something else. So right now it's just looking at this image, and it's taking whatever has this title and putting it there in the background. So for instance, if this one was what I wanted to put there, instead of like having to replace everything and kind of check that out, change things that way, what I could do is I could just rename this image. So this is the name that this one was. You can kind of see that they're both look the same. I just added a 1 to the other one. And when I go back here to Illustrator, it says, well, now something's missing. Let's go ahead and update this. And you can see that I kind of changed that to that other text. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to undo that. There we go. They're back to normal. I'll update those again. And to prevent that from happening, because the other thing about that is that it doesn't save it with your file. So if you left for some reason and closed everything down and deleted that file, or you're trying to move to a different computer, that's going to cause some issues there because you won't be able to see that image. So in order to fix that, what we're going to do is we're going to do something called embedding this image. So I'm just going to select that linked image. So I'm just meatballing that, and then I'm clicking this embed button. There we go. It's now a part of this image, and it doesn't matter here if I change the names of this. You'll see that it does not actually do anything, right? It never prompts me to change this. So that is the difference there. So go ahead and we'll embed that, and then everything should be all good, and I can hit save, and there we go. Thank you for watching.